Hey everyone, and welcome to another very important video. In this video, we will walk you through one of the most useful tools in the parent portal, which is student report cards. You will learn how to see all your child's report cards in just one place. Explore subject-wise performance and view a detailed activity report that includes attendance, homework, and test scores. As a parent, you want to stay connected to your child's growth, especially when it comes to their learning and spiritual journey. But with busy schedules, we know it's not always easy to keep up. That's exactly why we built this feature to give you a simple and clear way to track your child's progress. Everything you need is right here, all in one place, so you never miss a moment of their development. So once you log into your parent account, just head over to the Students section under School. From there, you will see all the available report card options for the current academic year ready to explore anytime. Now, if you click on All Class Report Cards, you can view all the report cards in just one place with grades, attendance records, class tests, and homework results for each subject of the whole academic year, which is clearly shown. It's a quick snapshot of how your child is doing across all their classes. If you click on report cards of any subject, for example, Islamic studies, you can view all the report cards for one subject. By clicking on details, you can see everything broken down: class test scores, homework marks, and attendance, each with its own weightage. It's easy to see what your child did well in and where they can improve. If you want to see more details, the activity report shows each assignment, test, and attendance record individually with dates and scores included. This lets you follow along with your child's day-to-day progress, step by step. So, as you can see, this is not just a report, it's a window into your child's growth. We created this for you because when parents are informed and supported, children shine brighter. That's all for today. See you in the next video.